Hi, my name is Alyssa Bear. I'm psychology faculty. And for the past 3 or 4 years, I have been doing service learning projects for my introduction to statistics lab. Most of the projects revolve around conducting surveys, analyzing data, including content analysis for qualitative analysis and quantitative analysis. Sometimes groups also help agencies with understanding data, producing handbooks for survey collection and understanding measurement and what you can do with the data you collect, and some basics in data analysis. My class will divide up into teams. Any semester we have between 2 and 4 projects going. Students pick their projects. I introduce them around week 4 and their teams are finalized by week 6. During week 6, we do team contracts. So I gave you a template for that if that's helpful. This really lays the groundwork for who's doing what and dividing up the different pieces of the project and expectations for what the agency wants. I typically meet with the agencies 2 or 3 times before I start work with my teams, so that I'm aware and can prepare for what students are going to do. It's also exciting that for the past several semesters, we've been able to do rollover projects. So students learn about what the students did in the previous semester and then carry on with that work the subsequent semester.
The first project this semester for AZ Ascend was with the Giggles, Squiggles, and Squirms programs. My students developed a parent survey for evaluation on their experiences working with the teacher and the students' preparations for kindergarten. The students then analyzed the data, which was qualitative and quantitative. And then they presented that information back to Donald Beadle and AZ Ascend. AZ Ascend has been doing customer service survey feedback for their services and programming the past few years from the Family Resource Center. My students helped with data analysis for the survey in the fall, which included qualitative content analysis. They then shared that back and helped with the presentation that AZ Ascend used. And then this spring, they're developing a survey handbook that will help them with future client surveys. This fall, I had students in my 231 class help put together a volunteer survey for the Boys and Girls Club. In the spring, the survey was deployed, and my spring students will be analyzing the data. The data includes qualitative content analysis and quantitative data. They will then do a short presentation and write-up for the Boys and Girls Club.
In closing, I wanted to say there's a whole continuum of different activities you can do with service learning. Mine's a little bit more intense and involved, but yours can be very much facilitated by the Service Learning and Civic Engagement Office. And so I wish you the best. I know this provides students with work readiness skills, opportunities to interact with each other, provide for the community, and make connections with their academic work.
I also super appreciate the constant interactions and collaborations I have had with the past couple years with AZ Ascend and the Boys and Girls Club. So thank you, Donna Beadle and Donna Martin. Remember that you've got a lot of resources with the Chandler Gilbert Service Learning and Civic Engagement Office.